In your IT environment, how many times do you feel yourself locked into a certain storage device or with a number of different legacy applications and disparate repositories of data?
Welcome back to our EAS How-To series. My name is Pat Darche here with Senior Account Executive Will White. This How-To series is the best place for you to come to learn the best tips, tricks, and practices on how to maximize your EAS asset. Last couple weeks, I have been talking a lot about EAS 9 and 10, but I'm excited to announce that our 9.1 release has officially come out. Most major enhancements probably revolve around our EAS Discovery application, EAS Mobile, which are brand new mobile application for iOS and Android users, and also a large enhancement that we'll break into this in future how-tos, but to our EAS Anywhere client. So, Will, I'm excited about it. All of these how-to videos feature the latest and greatest version of EAS. What are you showing us today in EAS?
Yeah, thanks, Pat. And as you're highlighting all the latest and greatest in EAS, centered around adding more data to your archive, I'm going to be getting deeper into Storage Manager and how to actually control, move, and delete some of that data.
Awesome. I think we talk about Storage Manager is probably the most underutilized component of EAS, but somebody that truly understands how to use Storage Manager, I think today is going to help out a lot with. They can take control of EAS like nothing else. So who benefits primarily from today's demonstration, Will? How do they benefit?
Yeah, thanks, Pat. This will primarily be for our EAS admins that are actually administering the application. You're going to be able to go in there, have full control over all the storage devices that you use, all of the data that's in there, whether that's email, files, pictures, videos, IM, whatever you add in there. You have full control to be able to take action in moving that, deleting it, and setting granular retention.
Should we just head right in, Will?
Let's go.
So first, it'll be create one or more rules that select the content with which you want to work with from the archive. For example, you can create a rule that selects messages that were within a certain date range, or you can select one or more of the predefined rules. So you go over here to the left tree here, right-click on rules, hit new. You're going to run through some of the predefined rules here. You can create different SQL folder rule folders, mail category rule, date range rule, custom SQL rule. All of these are right here. We'll click on the predefined rules just to give you an example of what's in there. No retention rule, SharePoint only rule, expired retention rule, and exchange only rule for only exchange messages. Step 2 is to create the actual task. So again, you're going to be over here. You can right-click on task and hit new task. Come here to select action, copy to PST file, move, extend a retention, quota, delete references, delete or purge data. Yeah. All right. Step 3 is to generate a preview of the task that you just created. So you can come down here to previews and hit new folder, name that folder for a preview, and drag and drop a task into the right-hand pane for previews. After the preview generates the desired results, you are now ready to move on to step 4, which is to execute the action or configure the task to run at a scheduled time or interval by creating a scheduled task. For example, you can have a scheduled task run at midnight once a week. So we will go over here into scheduled tasks. Again, right-click, new scheduled task. You can name it, give it a description. You can drag or drop the task. For this example, we'll use copy task. What the process you want that to be, either execute a task or generate a preview. Again, the previews is where you can review that information. The duration, and you can set that up to occur once a week, once a month, or custom. This allows you to really set scheduled time for when you want to either copy data to a new data store, doc store, or run your retention and purge tasks.
So as you can see, guys, really easy in one application on the left and on the right pane to edit all the storage devices that you have, take action on all that storm data, If you give me a call before April 1st with any questions on Storage Manager, I can get you a free upgrade to EAS 9.0. I've actually just sent out a few links this morning, so please give me a call or just shoot me an email.
April 1st, that is the deadline for the special promotion. Give Will a call, get the free software license upgrade to 9.1. This is something that's unprecedented. We're not going to do this ever again, so call Will by April 1st. Also, if you like what we're showing you each week, please do not forget to subscribe. Well, and I will see you next week.